In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate a table in Google Docs. It is very easy. Before we start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and like this video to help the channel. And now I will show you how to do this. We have created a table over here. And what I will do now is go to the Windows sign, use the snipping tool, and I will show you guys how to use this. So you will click on New, and then we will snip this table. After that, you will see that it has snipped the table. What we will do now, right mouse click, copy, minimize, and after that we will go down or up and then just Ctrl V or paste it. Now you have added this one. What you can do, you can click on this side and you can rotate it manually like this, or you just go to the side, select it, and there you will be able to select the angle in degrees. Like if you would like to edit or maybe to a 90 degrees, then you can also do that. And that is how you rotate a table in Google Docs.